So welcome again. As we continue learning how to make money online with this channel, today I want to show you some CMD commands that you can use on your computer, which are very helpful, especially to any network administrator, or if you're using Wi-Fi or internet at your home or your office and you don't have any technical person who can assist you, or if you're starting career in IT. These are some of commands that you may need. On this channel, I've also shown you tips and tricks of using Windows 10 and Windows 11. Very helpful. Remember to check on the playlist section and also on the video section. At the end of this video, I will show you several ways I make money online. So, to open these commands or to run these commands, you need command mode. So then how do you open command window? One way is to press Windows button, then R button. So Windows R, then you type CMD, then you press enter. It opens the command window. The other option is to use Windows X and get the shortcut menu. Then you go to run. Again, you can open from there, or you can open the other way is on that search box, you just type CMD. From here you can run it as administrator. So those are many ways you can run command mode. So let me just open. I'm running this as administrator. So the first command we run today is ping. So what does ping do? Ping is used to verify connectivity between your device and another device or a server. Let's say you are accessing Google. Google is hosted on a server. That is, a website for Google is hosted on a certain server. So if you don't have internet, you can use ping to confirm whether you have internet connectivity. You just ping google.com. So your laptop, you said ping command and verify connectivity between your laptop and where Google website is hosted. If there is reply, then it means there is a connection. Let's say you also want to confirm whether your network is working as a network administrator. You can use ping to ping another computer within your network. It could be a server or another computer. If ping returns results, then it means you are connected. If it doesn't, then you may need to troubleshoot further and where the issue is. And ping command will always let you know where the ping is dropping. Let's say you don't have internet and you want to know where the issue is. In the previous tutorial, I've shown you how to check internet connectivity and resolve it. That works within your laptop. What if all those fails? You can use ping. You try to ping Google and see where the internet drops. If it drops within your laptop, then you know it is your laptop that have issue. If it drops within your firewall, then you know your router, then you know it is the router that have an issue. If it can ping up to the router, then it means your ISP could be having the issue. If you can go all the way to your ISP, then it means the server you are trying to access have an issue. So let's see. So you type ping ping in the command mode, then space, you type now the IP address or the domain you want to ping. Like in this case, let's just use google.com. Then you press enter. As you can see, I'm connected. I can ping from this IP. So I can ping Google's IP. As you can see, pinging google.com, then there is an IP address. This is where Google's server is hosted. Google's website is hosted, and they have so many servers. So I'm trying to ping this IP. So what happens? It will try to ping this IP address, and if there is a reply, with the bytes and time and TTL, then it means I'm able to ping that server and I should be able to open Google. If we go to my Chrome, as you can see, I can open Google and I can try even to search something just, and as you can see, Google is able to return because I'm connected. Let's disconnect our internet briefly. Then I try to ping again. I've just pressed the up button. You can use up arrow button if you want to go to the previous ping. So let's ping. As you can see, the request could not find Google. I'm not able to even reach my DNS server. The DNS server is the one that translates google.com into an IP address. Then you are able to ping that IP. Remember, over the internet, servers and computers don't know the name google.com. They know the IP address of Google. That's why I need to use a DNS server which returns Google's IP. Then I can be able now to ping that IP. What will happen on my side, my laptop will send a request to my DNS server. Then it will check Google's IP. Does it exist there? No. It will set to the next hop. The next hop is my ISP. My ISP will look in their directory and realize the Google's IP is this one. It will be returned. Now I can be able to ping, and it will go all the way to Google's server and return. Once the connection is successful, it will return with a reply. Let's reconnect back. Let's do another test where I don't have internet connection. Let me just connect my hotspot, for which I don't have internet. So let's confirm I'm connected to my hotspot. But even if I'm connected, I don't have data. So let's try to ping again. I think I had some data, so I've exhausted my data, and as you can see, it is connected. Let's scroll down. We try to ping Google again. This one we are getting request timeout. The first one we got ping request could not find host google.com. That meant that my laptop doesn't have internet at all. I'm not connected to any router. So that's how you interpret that. I'm not connected to any router. So the first thing, if I get this ping results, the first thing is to check whether my laptop has a connection. Right now I have connection, but I don't have access to internet. That's why it's saying request timeout. What that means, I'm not able to go past my router, and my router in this case is my hotspot. The mobile I'm hotspotting from, it doesn't have internet. Let's disconnect that and we go back to our internet. We see if that resolves. So in this channel I will also show you now the other ping command that you use now to identify where the issue is. Let's reconnect back to a different Wi-Fi. Then you try to ping again, and as you can see, once I'm connected, ping is able to return. So that's how you use a ping, and it is used in the following scenarios to check if your device can reach a specific server or IP. Like now we are trying to connect to that IP for Google, and notice the IP have changed. Google have so many servers, and it replies with the response time. As you can see, there is a response time, the time in milliseconds. It means the network connection is active if it returns now with the time. Request timeout or unreachable, it means there is a problem with the network connectivity, as we have seen. I tried with the airplane mode, and you saw that it's not even able to go past my laptop to even find google.com. Then I tried when I didn't have internet access. Yes, I'm connected, but there is no access to internet outside, and it is done timeout. So that's how you use ping. And as an example here, we have seen if your browser can't load a website, if you're trying to load maybe Google, you're trying to load your email and you can't be able to open, it tells you no internet connectivity. Just run ping command, you try to ping that domain, and not the website domain. Remember, the website starts with HTTPS. Now after www dot, now you copy that whole thing up to .com or .org or .net. Then you try to ping. If it replies, then the network works, and the issue might be your browser or DNS settings, which you may need to troubleshoot further. Remember, there are so many commands I will show you in this channel. If it fails, then the issue might be your router, and you have seen that, or your ISP, or even your internet connection itself. So that's how you use a ping command. And as I said, on this channel I train how to make money online with Udemy, where you sell your courses, TikTok by going live, when you get live gifts, or the videos that you post, you get video gifts. There are requirements for those two. Or you can use Sound.me, where they give you a sound campaign. You use it on your video exclusively. Then you earn from those views that you generate on your TikTok. The money is posted on your Sound.me account. I've done a full tutorial from onboarding all the way to how you withdraw your money. Also YouTube, how you monetize your account, how you use YouTube Shorts and Sound.me. Again, this is similar to TikTok. You get a sound campaign, then you start making money. Also using blogger.com and AdSense. Very easy, very straightforward way. If you follow those videos, you can check in the playlist section, or even in the video section for the video on blogging with blogger.com and AdSense and AdStera. You see the process you need to follow to get approved. It's very easy, and you can make money if you follow that video. I've shown you even how you make money with your blogs. It's not about your marketing. It's all about your content, the number of posts, content that you put in those posts, and many additional settings that people ignore. And blogger.com is the easiest way of getting approval for AdSense. AdStera is straightforward. You just plug in, get approved in a few seconds, and you start making money immediately as you wait for your blog to be approved by by Google AdSense. And many other ways. And if you found this video helpful, remember to hit that like button. Also share with your friends, and remember, very important, to subscribe to this channel so that when I do the next video, you get to see it. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next one.